Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the activation error in Microsoft Office that says this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated. Let me show you how. I just want to point out that this method is completely legal and provided by the Microsoft official website. Let's start by opening the File Explorer and navigate to this PC, then your C drive, then Program Files, then Microsoft Office, then Office 16. And just copy the directory path from the top. We'll need it for the command in the command prompt. Next, type CMD in the taskbar search, right-click on the command prompt, and select Run as an administrator. In the command prompt window, type cd space and press the Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste the path we copied earlier, and press enter. Next, let's copy and paste this command. I left it in the video's descriptions. And hit enter. This command will help us get the SKU ID, which we'll use in the next step. Once you have the SKU ID, copy and paste the second command, followed by a space, then paste the ID, and hit enter. If successful, you should see a message saying Microsoft Office rearm successful. And now let's check if it has resolved the issue. So open any Microsoft Office product like Microsoft Word, and you shouldn't see the activation window anymore. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.